Tradelle Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this honest review of Tradelle. If you're considering using this platform, make sure to watch this video to the end before making any decisions. For your convenience, I've added links to the products discussed in the description below. Tradelle is an online marketplace that promises to streamline the process of buying and selling goods, especially for small businesses and individual entrepreneurs. It was designed with simplicity in mind, making it an appealing option for those who want to set up shop quickly without the hassle of a steep learning curve. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, which is one of its key features. Whether you're listing products or browsing for items, the process is straightforward and intuitive. Tradelle also integrates smoothly with various payment processors, ensuring that transactions are secure and efficient. One of the standout features of Tradelle is its analytics tools. These tools provide sellers with valuable insights into their sales performance, customer behavior, and inventory management. This is particularly useful for small business owners who need to make data-driven decisions but may not have the resources to invest in separate analytics software. Another advantage is the customer support, which is responsive and available through multiple channels, including live chat and email. This ensures that users can get help whenever they need it, which is crucial for maintaining smooth operations. Tradelle was made for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who are looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to manage their online sales. It's also ideal for those who may not have much technical expertise, but still want to maintain a professional online presence. However, it's important to note that while Tradelle excels in ease of use and analytics, it may not offer as many customization options as some of the more established e-commerce platforms. This could be a drawback for those who need a highly tailored online store. In summary, Tradelle is a solid option for small business owners and entrepreneurs who prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and access to basic analytics without the need for advanced customization. It's a reliable platform that does what it promises, but if you're looking for more extensive features, you might need to explore other options. Hopefully, this review has provided you with the information you need to make an informed decision. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check the description for links to the products mentioned. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online business.